Video currently playing shows an accident involving a U.S. manned armored vehicle in Syria recently. This video is making rounds on social media. Details on whether there were any U.S. soldier deaths as a result of this armored vehicle being overturned are scarce. It was reported that the Pentagon deployed troops to northeastern Syria to conduct border patrols and defuse escalating tensions. This is not the first time an armored vehicle deployed and manned by U.S. soldiers has overturned. In this case, it cost a soldier his life. You can look at the picture right now. This picture is of Antonio Moore, who died on January 24th in Syria after he sustained injuries from an armored vehicle being turned over. Armored vehicles for the military are designed for increased protection against military weapons. It defeats the purpose when the vehicle designed for protection is leading to the deaths of U.S. soldiers. This is the risk one has to take employing manned armored vehicles. As an American company, GESAR does not take lightly to our servicemen and women losing their lives to such preventable accidents like this while serving our country and others. With all the technology available now, one has to wonder why the United States government is not deploying unmanned armored vehicles able to conduct critical missions with soldiers supervising out of harm's way and free to perform other mission critical services. GESAR Inc. as a U.S. company has the capabilities and knowledge to provide long-range, semi-autonomous, and autonomous armored vehicles to aid our military servicemen and women. The United States cannot afford to lag behind in defense and stand idly by as our servicemen and women are slaughtered due to using outdated technology. One soldier being killed or injured in overturns by manned armored vehicles is one too many. GESAR Inc. stands at the forefront to provide a solution.